Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer door shelf in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a minute or two to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer door shelf. The freezer door shelf is used for additional storage at the bottom of the freezer door. It's easily removed and reinstalled. The main reason why the door shelf would need to be replaced is if it's broken and won't stay in place. Let's open the freezer door. To remove the old freezer shelf, we need to push it up. This is the old freezer door shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So to install the new shelf, just bring it in, and we need to put this over the tabs on the side. So push it in all the way and press it down. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.